Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to activate your MyCigna card and log into your account. Whether you're a new member or just need a refresher, this process is simple and quick. Follow the instructions below to get started. Step 1. Receive your MyCigna card. Once you've registered for Cigna insurance, your MyCigna card will be sent to you by mail. Make sure you have it ready before starting the activation process. Step 2. Visit the MyCigna website. Go to www.mycigna.com using any web browser on your computer or mobile device. This is the official Cigna portal where you can manage your benefits and access account services. Step 3. Click on Activate Your Card. Once you are on the MyCigna homepage, look for the Activate Your Card option. This will be prominently displayed for first-time users. Click on it to begin the activation process. Step 4. Enter your details. To proceed with activation, you'll be prompted to enter the following details. Your member ID. This can be found on your Cigna card. Your date of birth, for verification purposes. Your zip code. This helps confirm your identity. Make sure all information is accurate before continuing. Step 5. Set up your account. If you haven't already created an account, you'll be asked to set one up. You'll need to provide your email address, a secure password. Once you've filled in all the required information, click on the Create Account button. Step 6. Agree to the terms and conditions. Read through Cigna's terms and conditions, and if you agree to them, check the box confirming your agreement. This step is essential to proceed. Step 7. Confirm activation. After entering your details and setting up your account, you'll receive a confirmation email or notification from Cigna. Click on the confirmation link to finalize the activation. Step 8. Log into your account. Once your card is activated, return to www.mycigna.com and click Log in the top right corner of the page. Enter your newly created username and password to access your account. Step 9. Manage your health benefits. Now that you're logged in, you can explore all the features MyCigna has to offer. Check your benefits, view claims, find doctors, and much more. Troubleshooting tips. If you encounter any issues during activation, double-check the information you entered for accuracy. For additional support, you can contact Cigna's customer service at the number on the back of your card.